Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery. Email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue. Still, you can regain access to your Gmail account. So first of all, you have to open Google app. Hold the Google app, tap on app information. Tap on permissions. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow. Anyway, minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser. Tap on app information. Tap on permissions. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow. Anyway, now you have to go back. And then here you will see the last option open by default. Tap on it and here you will see the last option, clear defaults. Tap on it, minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store. And you have to download and install Dolphin browser. After installation, open this browser, and then tap on agree and enter. And then here you have to open google.com. And then you will land here, tap on sign in. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password. Simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number. Simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here, and here you will see this kind of error. Could not sign you in now. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again. And again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings. Scroll down and you have to navigate Google option, tap on Google. And then you will land here, and here you will see Google Services option. At the top right side, you will see 3 dots. Tap on it, and here help option will appear, tap on it. And then you will land here. Here in the bottom, you will see search help. Tap on it, and here you have to type. And tap on search. And then here a bunch of options will appear. From here, you have to select the third option, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on this option. And then here you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Scroll down. Hey, you will see option can't sign in for another reason. Hey, you will see get help signing in, tap on this option. And then here you will see option can't sign into Google account. Here you will see select the issue, fifth option. You are having trouble with two-step verification. If you are facing two-step verification issue, then you have to select the fifth option. So we'll select the fifth option. From here, you have to select the second last option. You are having different issue. And then here you will see option visit our help content. Two-step verification, tap on this option. And then here you will see second last option. Fix common issues with two-step verification, tap on this option. Scroll down here, you will see option recover your account. Tap on this option, and then here you will see option tips to complete account recovery steps. Tap on this option. Then here you will see tips to complete account recovery steps. Here you will see the first option. Go to the account recovery page. Tap on this option. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you have to select Dolphin browser. It will automatically redirect you to Dolphin browser. Then you will land here, and here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further, you will see two options. Change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password, and then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on change password. Here you can see changing password. Your password was changed. Now quickly, you have to go to security, and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email, so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.